Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in AajTak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI and tech updates around the world today. Japanese Prime Minister Fumiya Kishida has said that G7 leaders could create international AI regulations by the end of the year. G7 countries launched an initiative named Hiroshima AI, and soon the leaders of this group will talk through video conference to formulate rules and create guidelines. Preparations have been made to install the first next-generation supercomputer in the UK. This supercomputer works 50 times faster than the existing supercomputers of any country. It will be installed in the University of Edinburgh. The UK government has declared the university the preferred location for an exascale supercomputer, which will be capable of performing 1 billion calculations every second. Once operational, it will provide high-performance computing capacity for vital research and industry projects across the UK. The big chip-making company Nvidia has cancelled the AI conference, which was going to be held in Tel Aviv, the capital of Israel. Nvidia has done this in view of the war between Israel and Palestine. This conference was going to be held next week. Nvidia had planned an in-person AI summit in which its CEO Jensen Huang was also scheduled to speak. The event was promoted as a key conference for developers, business leaders, and AI researchers. AI has been in the news for some time now, due to which all the companies are working rapidly for it. Google's name is also included in this list. It is bringing AI in its apps, products, and services. Keeping this in mind, Google has also added AI to healthcare apps. Google has announced the launch of new generative AI features for healthcare. In its blog post, to Google executives Ashima Gupta and Lisa O'Malley explained in detail about everything Google is offering in health services. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching AajTak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching AajTak AI. Goodbye.